Okay, so if you are new to Cubase, I'm going to show you how you can actually start a project from scratch. I'm going to show you how to create a new project, how to set up your audio interface in Cubase, and also show you how you can actually record using a beat in Cubase. If you are ready, subscribe and let's do this right after the intro. So the name is Gosai and I'm a music producer. If you want to know how to mix and master, make a beat, production tips, then subscribe to this channel. So guys, we are in Cubase now. What you're gonna do is to start a new project, and to do that I'm gonna hit on file, then we're gonna head over to new projects like this, and over here you can browse through your recent projects, and also you can do recordings, scoring, production. If you want to start something with a template, you can actually click any of these. If you want to master, you can actually select this. But if you're a newbie and you want to start everything from scratch, just go to more and click on empty over here. Next, I want you to pay attention to this place where you're gonna select the destination. I mean, this is where Cubase is gonna save your project. All right, if you record the folder that it's gonna save there. So in case you want to send your project to another producer, you can actually go there and copy it for that producer. And next, this is the project folder too, I mean, where you can actually give the right name, I mean the specific name to the song that you're about to do. After that, so let's rename this, let's call this love over here. All right, next you have to hit on create, and this is gonna load up for you. All right, super simple. So how do you add your audio interface, I mean your sound card? Before you set up your audio interface, make sure you install your audio interface setup. If you are using M Audio, Presonus, Focusrite, Scarlett, make sure the setup for that particular audio interface is installed on your PC. Super simple. When you open to Cubase, what you need to do is to head over to Studio, then go to Studio Setup, and with ISO driver, just click over here and choose your audio interface. And I'm talking through this particular audio interface, so I'm not gonna select my audio interface, but yours gonna show over here. If it's Focusrite, it's gonna pop up here, Scarlett, M Audio, Presonus, any audio interface that you are using. After installing, it's gonna pop up over here. Make sure you select that. For the sake of this video, I'm not gonna select that, so I'm still gonna select this. All right, then guys, after selecting, you can leave everything like this and just hit apply. All right, I'm not gonna do that. Next, how do you add the instrument? What you need to do is to locate the instrument, then just drag it. All right, okay, so locate the instrument and just drag it over here, not here. Okay, just drag it over here like this, and next hit okay. Super simple. So now you can actually see our beat has been imported. All right, next you can actually hit the J on the keyboard to zoom out and the H to zoom in like this. You can also use the arrow here. All right, super simple. I'm going to change the color of the beat. Just click on that and click here and choose green like this. Now, how do you record your vocals? What you need to do is to right click over here, then go to add audio track, and over here you can actually give it a name. So let's call this lead. All right, and you can actually select the number of tracks that you want to create by just clicking on this. All right, I'm gonna stick to only one, then we're gonna hit add track. All right, so the track has been added over here. Now, how do you record? So now that you know how to create a new project, import a beat into Cubase 14 and also set up your audio interface, let's look at how you can actually record in Cubase 14 and 14 Pro. It's super simple. So what I want you to do is to check all these things over here and make sure you click on audio input. All right, over here click audio input over here, and this is gonna pop up. And if it is on control room or external effect, what I want you to do is to head over to input like this. And guys, what I want you to do is to select the right source of your microphone. If you are using audio interface that comes with 2 slots of microphones, select the one that the microphone is connected to. All right, make sure that one is on top. All right, so if you click here, browse through your audio interface, the right source of mic. Make sure you select the right source of microphone. I'm using slot 2, so I have to select that one. That's the Ultra Pro analog input 2. Make sure that one is on top like this. All right, the slot, where you have connected your microphone, make sure that one is on top. So always play with the top one over here and choose the right source of microphone. Okay, super simple. Next thing you need to do is to close it like this, and what we're gonna do is to record something small. So let's come here, and guys, to record you can actually hit record button over here. Always make sure you turn on the record button here, and guys, you can actually press this and it's gonna record for you. But I mostly use the shortcut on the keyboard. Just hit the hash on the keyboard like this. Yeah. Baby, tell me why you wanna leave. I don't get you, baby. Yeah. Hey, that's super simple. So now we're gonna listen to this, and before you can actually hear this, I have to go to studio, then go to setup again. Now I'm gonna change it from my audio interface to FS Studio ASIO. Then we're gonna hit switch and hit OK like this, and now you can actually hear this. Now let's listen to this. Yeah. Baby, tell me why you wanna leave. Alright, that's super simple. I'm gonna solo the vocals. Listen. Baby, yeah. Change the color. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Now let's listen. Baby, tell me why you wanna leave. I don't get you, baby. Yeah. Super simple. If this video helps you, make sure you hit on that like button. Let me know where you are watching me from. Alright, so now you know how to record your vocals in Cubase. Watch the next video to know how to mix and master your track in Cubase. Super simple. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed. Baby, tell me why you wanna leave. I don't get you, baby. Yeah.